Hello, my name is Jim Hummer from Solver, and today we're going to be looking at Dynamics GP 2016, and we're doing journal entries and adding a document to it, and then we'll be looking at the document through BI 360. So I created a basic document here, and I put in a reference for the note document with $183.64. And I went into the notes, which has been fairly stable for Dynamics GP for a number of years. And I put a little comment in there called invoice for pizza. And then I did an attachment in the document management software within Dynamics GP. So if I preview this, I can basically see the invoice that goes with that transaction. And it pops up in Word right here. And that is a pizza invoice. Okay, and let me close that. Okay, and if you want to add these, there's a lot of software, there's a lot of documentation on how to do this, but basically you just go and click on a line, and then you go attach, and then you grab your document, and then you put this into the system. So it's fairly straightforward. So now we have that. We can also use this and report off this with BI 360. So let's go see where this is at first by going into the composer. And I went and redid this a little bit here. So I kind of have my document and my period. And then I see that here's my reference here for my note document. And so I'm going to go into my notes first and drag and drop. And you can see invoice for pizza that I can enter into the journal. You can also say a posting status. And so my posting status shows that it has worked, which means that basically that has been entered but not posted in for my general journal. And now I have a series of document attachments. I have document link, document note, and document PM. So for my document note, it's the one I use, and the reason I have it as note is because Dynamics GP 2016 uses notes for document attachment, and GP Dynamics 2018 does not, which we'll handle in a separate video. So if I go and run this, basically I have a hyperlink that shows I have one document attached. If I had more documents, it would say 2 and so forth. I can double click here and see that document, but most of the time what you're going to do is you're going to be using the BI 360 portal. So if we go into the portal right here, I went and brought up a document. This is a typical profit loss, which you could run per month as we did. I show the departments here. So I went and ran that already so that we can kind of see that. And I'm going to scroll down to my 6100, which is right here. And then if I click, it asks me if I want to drill down into my summary or my details. And so if I go into my details, it brings it up in just a second here. And then if I scroll here, there's my invoice for pizza note. There's my general journal periods and so forth. And there's my document attachment link notes. So if I click on that, it goes through the portal and can bring up the documents. So this allows me that I can go and have my department managers or other responsible accounting folks, they could take their P&L and they could drill down through the detail and actually see the documents that apply. This is in particular for the notes, but there's also processes which you can do this throughout all the modules within Dynamics GP, which we'll cover in different videos. Thank you.